Hi guys, we got upgraded to an MSC Yacht Club room. This isn't an interior room. Now we paid less for this upgrade than it cost to have our drink package and our Wi-Fi package and our dining that we had ordered. So in other words, we got upgraded for free. So it's perfect.
Show them the room.
All right, we're gonna go check out this room.
More than welcome to.
All right, let's go inside. All right, let's just back this up just a little bit. So when your room is ready, your butler or one of the butlers will take you and escort you to your room once it's ready. And this does not take long because when you're in the yacht club, your rooms are ready usually within an hour of the time of arrival, if not sooner. Yeah. All right, so here is our stateroom. This is an interior stateroom, 18027. We have a mini bar in the yacht club. That is included. You can have as much as you want. Look, somebody left us a quarter. I think they probably left that for the room attendant, and the room attendant didn't take it. Here is your mini bar and what is in it. So you can actually see what is in it. We've got black tea. We've got, looks like some energy drinks, sodas. This is all included. Here is makeup mini makeup drawer, I guess. But you have the, it looks like a nice hair dryer too. And then you have these drawers as well. This one has your tea set up for your coffee maker. And this is an espresso. And the teas are this brand. And these are Nespresso coffees. And then we have an ice bucket for champagne, plates, cups. The whole 9 yards is in here if you need it. Is there any silverware? Yeah, there's silverware in case you need it too. All right, I love that the phone is mounted to the wall instead of taking up space on the counter, which is nice. We've got this for all of your documents and your papers, so you can learn more about MSC. Comes all the way forward, so you'll be able to view it from bed, no problem. Closet is really nice. Plenty of space, lots of shelves and drawers, which is probably why, who's gonna use those when you've got all this too? I don't think you would even need those for your drawers. And then closet for hanging space. Also more space below for shoes, which I love. I like the little extra shelves and touches that they put in these rooms. And look, even over here, there is a little spot for more stuff. I have some MSC Yacht Club robes.
Do we have slippers?
Slippers are in the closet. Here is the shower. We've got some shower gel, shampoo, and hair balm. I guess that would be conditioner. The weird thing is this is actually kind of hard to open from here though. There we go. Gotta get a good grip of that. And here is your toilet area. You've got toothbrush holders here.
Oh my God, honey.
Hmm?
This is a memory foam bag.
Oh, nice. Body lotion, liquid soap, but you also have a soap dispenser here. I wonder if there's anything in it. And the sink is kind of a neat kind of shape, actually. You've got a mirror here, a zoom-in mirror, and all the towels also have Yacht Club on them. They say to bring a Yacht Club towel with you into port, so when you come back, you're easily recognizable because you'll have that. You'll be carrying it. So there you have it. There is our Yacht Club room. Here is the bed. Let's check out that mattress.
Do they have a mattress topper?
Check it out, see if it does. Yes, it definitely does. Ooh.
Is that a topper? Is it? Oh, it is a topper.
Yeah.
That's memory foam there too. Look.
Yeah. Oh, that looks very comfortable. This is gonna be so cozy. So is those pillows. I can tell they look good too. All right. You can order this to your room. Whiskey Jack Daniels, $60. I wonder if you can get that in any room.
Is that,
Yeah.
yes, I do that.
Anyway, here is our space in the yacht club. There's no way you can't be in this video, honey. There's mirrors everywhere.